Welcome back to Gaia's English Garden. Today, we will review modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs function as auxiliary verbs. They are used to express things like ability, necessity, obligation, possibility, prohibition, and or other things. Let's start with the modal can. Can is used to express present ability. Examples: she can speak English. They can play the guitar. It is also used for permission. Examples: can I use your phone? Can I go to the party with my friends? The modal can is also used for requests. Example: can you lend me $10? Can you help me? We can also use can in the first conditional. For example, if you give me her number, I can call her. If you teach me how to, I know I can do it. Lastly, we can use can for future or present possibilities. For example, I can go with you to the beach this weekend. Justin can teach you how to rap tomorrow. The next modal, could. Could is used for requests or permission. Could you open the door, please? Could I see you later? Could can also be used to talk about past abilities. For example, I could play the flute when I was 8 years old. I could ride a bicycle when I was a child. Could can also be used in the second conditional. For example, if Laura was the boss, she could hire me. If I didn't speak English, I couldn't work as a teacher. And also in the third conditional. For example, if I had studied, I could have passed the exam. If she had known the truth, she could have killed me. We also use could for past possibilities or opportunities. Examples: they were jumping off the moving train yesterday. They could have hurt themselves. It was possible, but it didn't happen. Next example: they could have called me while they were still in town. They didn't. Lastly, use could for future and present possibilities. For example, she could see you later this afternoon if she's free. Or she could pass the driver's test if she gets more practice. Next modal, would. Would is used for requests. Example: would you please close the door? Would you turn off the lights, please? Would can also be used in the second conditional. If I were you, I would go to the store now instead of later. Would you go visit her if you knew about her feelings for you? Also, it can be used in the third conditional. Examples: if I had known it would be this cold, I would have brought my jacket. If she cared, she would have called. Also, you can use would to express past habits with adverbs of frequencies. I would read every night to help me fall asleep. My mother would kiss me every morning before I went to school. And lastly, we can use would in the reported speech. For example, Fabio, I will visit you soon. He said he would visit me soon. Fabian, direct speech, I will be waiting for you. Reported, he said he would be waiting for me. The Next modal, may. May is usually used for permission. May I go to the party this weekend? May I use your phone, please? May can also be used for present or future possibilities. I may still go out tonight, depending on the weather. I may say yes if he asks me nicely. It can also be used to speculate. For example, he may have been crying yesterday. His eyes were so red. She may have committed the crime. Another common modal is should. Should can be used in recommendations. Also, it is the same as ought to. And ought to is just used for more formal speech. You look tired. You should go to sleep earlier in the evenings. Carla broke up with me. Man, you should just forget about her. Should can also be used to express past advice using the form should plus have plus past participle. I should have called him last night. Or you should have eaten breakfast this morning. Lastly, you can use should to express expectations or possibility. Example, this poll is brilliant. They should do well in all of their exams. It's almost 11 o'clock. Class should be ending soon. Finally, here is a short summary of the uses and some examples of the modals discussed today. First, can. Can expresses ability. I can speak English, or request or permission. Can I open the window? 2. May expresses possibility. I may be home late. Or request and permission. May I come inside? Next, would is used for request or offers. And would you like some water? We could use it in the first conditional. If I were you, I would apologize. Could expresses possibility. She could fall and hurt herself. Or for request and permission. Could you please pass me the glass? Remember, modal verbs can never change their form. They cannot change forms to suit tenses. So, S's, ed, ing cannot be added to modal verbs. Here is a summary of the modals according to their uses. For certainty, we can use must or should. For permission, we can use can, could to be polite, or may. For ability, use can or could in the past. Obligation, must or should. Prohibition, mustn't, shouldn't. All right, the next, advice, should. For possibility or probability, use can, could, or may. And that's it for today's lessons. For more practice and extra lessons, join the mailing list to receive a free practice and a mini quiz to test your knowledge and what you have learned in this lesson. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel for more short and understandable lessons. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Bye.